Hello and welcome out. Okay, finally a proper update video. Let's get started with what I'm doing at the moment, which is building the Parrot Aviary. Just clearing the area at the moment and having a good tidy out, and then we're going to get cracking on with building the aviary for my two lovely African grey parrots. So as you can guess, building an African grey aviary is quite challenging, especially this one. It's quite big, so I've recruited some help. Everyone say hello to Ryan. This is Ryan, he's going to be helping me. So a few days have passed now. We've got most of the Parrot Aviary more or less complete. I've just left the front off to get more slabs in there and decorations and perches and things like that for a parrot, so that's good. We've also got some new additions to our, well, it's almost a zoo now, let's face it. We've got two little gorgeous adorable bunny rabbits that we've adopted because, well, mainly for my wife. She loves rabbits. It's her birthday coming up soon, so I thought it would be a nice treat for her to come home and have two little bunnies in a little run that I've built, and we'll get to see that in a second and more. And onto the bird stuff now. We've got more baby gouldians out. There's at least 5 in the mixed aviary behind me, and there's possibly more. I mean, they're coming out all the time, and it's so hard to keep track of what's going on because obviously some like to go back in nests and some come out and go in different places in the aviary and things like that. It's kind of hard to keep track of, but it's good that there's at least 5 babies in there. And in the aviary behind me, we've got, I checked the nest a couple of days ago. I had to go in there to attach a part of the wood to the mesh of the aviary so that the rabbits can't get out. In there we've got baby gouldians just hatching in at least one nest, and we've got baby Bengalese as well, so there's probably a lot more, but I didn't want to disturb them. I don't like to disturb the birds in breeding unnecessarily. Yeah, the rabbits were in the shop, and they'd been in a little container, really, probably about maybe 2.5 foot or 3 foot by 3 foot for probably a month. It's not good. Creatures shouldn't be, animals shouldn't be kept like that for more than a week, if you ask me, and I just couldn't help it, just had to save them. So here they are. and the budgies are doing excellent. Most of the first hatches have come out. There's about 14 babies, all adorable and lovely. And there's more that have hatched, and they're about 1 or 2 weeks old now, depending on which nest you're looking. And the first lot have got more eggs, so hopefully they'll have even more babies. So there you can see the Parrot Aviary as it is at the moment. All the frames up except for the front, which is quite easy to finish off, just for ease of access really. Getting the, as you can see, goes there, the slabs at the bottom, in and out, and then getting the toys and the perches, and hopefully I want to get a big natural perch in the middle that you can put food and drink in and water and things like that. There's a plastic sheet at the front, obviously, because the mesh is, let's get closer. Yeah, the mesh is quite big and wide and open, so they're going to need a lot of protection. So the plastic sheet at the front, and then we can see the shed panel, which goes quite a way up, about 2/3 up, to offer some nice protection. And then probably have to run some budgie mesh around the bits that are exposed, and then I need to figure out a roof for the top. So here you can see is a nice 6x6 rabbit run with a nice little hutch in there. Let's have a closer look. It's 2 girl rabbits, Bella and Bonnie. One likes to hide. Bonnie likes to hide in the compartment just there. So they've got a nice hutch inside, so they're safe at night, and then they've got all this space to muck about in. While we're here, we can keep an eye on them. Okay, thanks a lot for watching. In summary, we've got more baby gouldians, baby zebra finches, baby Bengals, baby budgies, got some new rabbits. The African grey Parrot Aviary is coming on, and yeah, it's all coming together quite nicely. So watch in the future for another update. Thanks a lot for watching, take it easy and look after yourself, and see you next time.